Hi guys, this video is for your math iReady lesson. This one is for the lesson that has you guys doing two-step word problems. And we did get a lot of word problem practice, but some of these questions, especially when you don't have somebody reading them to you or like explaining them to you, a lot of times you're like, wait, what is happening? There's a lot of information. So I'm going to walk you through every single question on the quiz. I'm actually skipping the tutorial because I think it is really helpful, but it's very straightforward. So I'm going to walk you through every single question on this quiz without giving you answers, but just giving you helpful tools. And the biggest thing for this lesson, I would say, is to treat each question like a story. It's a story that's happening, so you somehow need to turn the story into numbers, taking it one step at a time. So I'm going to start with this question, question 1. It says that Miss Eng bought 4 packs of glue sticks. So honestly, guys, when in doubt, draw a picture. If you have a sheet of paper near you, I would absolutely use a picture, which is what I'm going to do. So she has 4 packs. Let's just say these are like boxes that you would buy for back to school. So we have the boxes. Each pack has 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. And her class uses 2 glue sticks, not 2 packs, just 2 sticks total. So how many did I start with? I can't figure out how many I'm left with until I know what I started with. 5 packs here, 20. And then she used 2. So if she used them, they're no longer able to be counted as leftover. So you'll need to subtract however many they used. Okay, so the biggest thing here is figuring out what you start with, like the big picture, and then figure out the little steps that come after that. So I'm going to X out of that question. That one's pretty simple. Here we have Kirby. So I'm on question 2. He's packing granola bars. He already packed 2 bags. So I'm going to do this. He has a bag and a bag. He's packed 2 bags. And there's 5 granola bars in each bag. But he has 10 more bars to pack. So he's packed 5, 5, and then he has 10 left. So how many bars total is he going to have? He has 5 bars here, 5 bars here, and then 10 bars here. So you're just telling me how many total he has. So it's very simple. Once you draw the picture, I really think it's 10 times more helpful. We have Omar's classroom. So once again, I'm going to draw. There's 2 closets. One, it's a closet. That's a closet. So that's step 1. I'm just reading the sentence. There's 2 closets. I can do that. Then each closet has 3 shelves. That's the next thing I'm going to do. Draw 3 shelves. 2, 3 shelves. Notice it says shelves. There's 3 shelves, not 3 sections. Because if I wanted 3 sections, I would have just done 2 shelves. There's 3 actual shelves there in each one. 3 shelves. There's 5 backpacks on each shelf. So I have 5, 5, 5. And I have 5, 5, 5. So you tell me how many backpacks are there in all. So once you draw the picture, I really think that you guys can solve these a little bit easier. Question 4, she's selling cookie dough. She sold 2 tubs of oatmeal raisin and 2 tubs of peanut butter. So you'll have to leave them separate because their prices are different. So she sold 2 of these. So 6 times 2 is whatever number. And then she also sold 2 of these times 2. This is times 2. Whoops. And then what is 5 times 2 equal? So she made this number of money on oatmeal raisin, this number of money on peanut butter, because she sold 2 of these and 2 of these. So then you just add up. What's the total amount of money that she made? Not that bad. When you split it up into steps, it's really a lot easier. Okay, here's where we get a little bit more tricky. Mr. Jones wants to buy 6 tickets, but each ticket costs $10. So if he wants to buy 6 at the price of 10, how much money will he need? That's the first step you'll need to figure out. So he wants to buy 6 and each one costs 10. What is he going to need to spend in order to buy 6 tickets at 10 each? So he'll have 10, another ticket, another ticket, another ticket. You could just count by tens in your head, really. 10 times 6 is $60. So that's what he's going to need right there. He'll need $60 in order to get the 6 tickets that he wants. However, he only has $45. So how far away is he from his goal? That's all you're going to tell me. How far away is it? We couldn't figure out this question until we knew how much he needed. So that was why I did that step first. We have to know how much he needs, then how far he is away from it. Okay? Only 3 more. All right, here's where we get a little tricky. We have our variables. If you guys remember our variables, that's when we have letters that represent a value. And you can pick any letter that you want. In this case, they chose C. So Elliot has trading cards, and I'm just going to draw my picture. When in doubt, draw a picture. He has 4 packs. So I'm going to draw my little packs of my cards. Let's say they're Fortnite cards. So fun, right? I'm sure you guys have Fortnite cards. Each pack has 20 cards each. That means each one has 20. 20 here, 20 here, 20 here, 20 here. Another pack only has 8 cards. So then he's got this other little mini pack and it's 8. So how many cards does he have in all? You guys should know that word, in all. You should know what operation that is. Total, in all together. What does that mean? You should know. Adding. So you're going to add that all up together. All the packs with the mini pack. Okay? So not too bad. You guys are getting it. All right, we got 2 left. Question 7. This one's actually pretty easy. So we have our friend Kaya. She found 25 shells on the beach. Then she found another 25. So she found 25 and 25. That's what she found so far. Then she sorted them into 5 piles. So she took this amount, the total, whatever the total was, and she split it into 5 groups, right? Isn't that what it says? Yep. So which one of those has both of those in the correct order, where you are adding up the total and then splitting it into 5 groups? That will be your equation for that one. Then the last one of all, talking about push-ups. I hate push-ups. This is, I'm just going to do the same thing I've been doing, which is underlining as I go. She does push-ups in sets of 3. So when in doubt, do a picture. I got a set of 3. I got another set of 3. I'm just doing tally marks, but really you could do it however you want. If you can do it this way, if you want. Oops. You could do 3, 3, another set of 3. And it says that she did 10 sets of it. 10 sets of 3, which means there's 10 threes. 10 times 3, you should know what it is. 30. Easy peasy. So she did 30 here today. Then her coach asked her to do 15 more. So how many total did she do? So she had to do another 15. I'm just adding it. See how that works? So you will just need to take it one step at a time and figure out the relationship between each number. So in this case, it tells me how many sets she did, or how many were in each set, I should say. How many of those she had. So 10 times 3, that's a multiplication relationship because it's how many sets of how many in the group. So it's talking about groups. In this case, it's multiplication. Then you're just adding an extra amount there. So that's it. There are multiple operations in these problems, but I just wanted to walk you through them so you could figure out and save yourself some time with the relationship between the numbers and how they work together. But I'm hoping that a visual from me gives you a clearer understanding of the story. So when in doubt, just draw a picture and make sure that you just underline, like I do, each piece of the question like it's telling a story. That's the best advice I can give you. All right. I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.